Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you guys are fine. Today we will be discussing exercises of chapter number 2 science for class 7 from NCERT. This is page number 20. You can see here, this is page number 20. We will be discussing the exercise. So the first fill in the blanks is the main step of nutrition in human are indigestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. ये fill in the blanks है. इसमें आपको main steps of nutrition बताना है. तो number 1 is ingestion, digestion, एब्सॉर्प्शन, एसिमिलेशन एंड इजेशन. अब इसे थोड़ा सा डिटेल में भी जान लेंगे. इंजेशन वे यू टेक फूड, वैसे आप लोग पढ़ ही लिए हैं, बट वेन एवर यू आर रिवाइजिंग द एक्सरसाइज यू शुड ऑल्सो रिमेंबर द main points of egestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion, so that it will be easier for you to answer other questions also from the examination. So number 1 is ingestion, where you take food. Ingestion is where you take food, that is ingestion. Digestion, where the food is broken down. Digestion is a process where the food is broken down. Number 3 is absorption, when nutrients are enter the blood stream. Nutrients जब blood में पहुंच जाते हैं, this process is absorption. Assimilation क्या है? When body uses the nutrients, जब nutrients को use करते हैं for energy, that process is assimilation. And what is egestion? Egestion is a process of removal of undigested waste from the body. Body में जो भी food लिया गया है वो अनडाइजेस्टेड जो फूड है उसे जब डाइजेस्ट हो गई फूड और अनडाइजेस्टेड पार्ट को बाहर निकालने का प्रोसेस जो है वो इजेशन कहलाया है. सो द मेन स्टेप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमंस आर ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Number 2 question is the large gland of human body is liver. Which is the largest gland of human body? That is liver. ये कभी भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है इन योर एग्जाम, इन योर जीके क्विज, कभी भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. द थर्ड इज स्टमक रिलीजेस हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एंड डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस which act on food. The inner wall of small intestine has many finger-like outgrowth called villi. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. Amoeba कहाँ पे अपना food digested करता है? As I have already described in my video about food vacuole, तो food vacuole में भी amoeba अपना food digest करता है. Second question is true or false. You have to mark true if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. So the first question is digestion of starch starts in the stomach. डाइजेशन, स्टार्च का डाइजेशन स्टमक में स्टार्ट होता है. नो, दिस इज फॉल्स. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम बकल कैविटी. द टंग हेल्प्स इन मिक्सिंग द फूड विथ सलिवा. दिस इज ट्रू. द गॉल ब्लैडर टेम्पररीली स्टोर्स बाइल. सो दिस इज ट्रू. द ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. This is also true. Now come to the question number 3. Tick mark the correct answer for each of the following. Fat is completely digested in small intestine. The answer will be small intestine. Water from undigested food is absorbed mainly in the large intestine. The answer will be large intestine. So I hope you all would have understood these exercises. I'll be delivering more and more videos regarding this lesson. Thank you.